The best business decisions start with the right insights. JobNimbus Analytics combines powerful dashboards with AI-driven analysis to help you understand your business, uncover opportunities, and make confident decisions every day. In this video, we'll show you how analytics helps you uncover powerful business insights with built-in dashboards, AI-powered answers, and advanced custom analytics. We organized this tool into 3 simple tiers based on how you actually use your data. Let's look at the free base tier first. You'll find analytics in the nav bar at the top of your screen, and you can pin it for quick access. This will bring you to the hub, where you'll find 2 folders. Out of the box, every user gets access to the reports library. This is where you can immediately see your accounts receivable, business overview, completed jobs, production, profit tracker, sales performance, and workflow data with zero setup. Select a folder to see the available dashboards with a brief description of the data you will find in each. When viewing individual dashboards, use the filters at the top to drill into the exact details you need. And when you're done, simply open the View menu to instantly reset your dashboard back to the default settings. If you need to understand the specifics behind a metric, click a chart or data point to drill down and view the corresponding data and investigate further. Hover over a graph or chart to display the 3-dot menu to see other options for interacting with your data. From here, you can download or copy it to a document, set an alert or schedule a delivery, and view the filters applied and the date and time the data was updated. The other options that appear here are tied to higher tiers, and we'll review them later. You can also use the File menu to duplicate, explore, download, and schedule deliveries and alerts for the whole dashboard. The star icon next to the dashboard name lets you add it to your favorites for quicker access in the Analytics navigation menu. But what happens when a standard dashboard isn't enough and you still need more information? Instead of building a complex spreadsheet, try the Analytics AI. Click the AI assistant and type a question or request exactly the way you'd say it out loud to your manager or a tech support agent. You don't need to know data coding or wait on a spreadsheet specialist. You're simply having a direct conversation with your data to get immediate answers. You can access this assistant in 3 places. First, you can always access it from the navigation menu. Not sure where to begin? Use the What Can I Ask prompt to help you get started. You'll also find it right inside your dashboards for contextual questions. Or you can find it tucked into the 3-dot menu of any individual chart to explain that specific graphic. Now, for our largest operators managing multiple locations or custom processes, we have Analytics Enterprise. This tier lets your admins build entirely custom dashboards or create multi-location roll-ups. Think of it like an Excel workbook with tabs, pulling different data streams, like sales pipelines and material orders, into one single source of truth. The best part? You don't have to be a tech wizard to set this up. We back this tier with a dedicated JobNimbus analyst who helps you custom build your initial dashboards through the JobNimbus Professional Services team, along with ongoing support from your technical account manager. If you choose to build on your own, you can follow this process. Click New in your hub, choose an operational topic, and use the chat to describe what you want, or use the details to the left to build the data. The chart will be added as a tab on the workbook. Click the arrow next to the tab to rename it. Click the plus button to add a new tab, and follow the same process to continue creating new data. Each tab you create in the workbook will become a chart on the dashboard. Once you've added all your data, click the Add Dashboard button. In the window that appears, a recommended name and description will be generated for you, but they can be updated if needed. You'll have the option to save it under My Documents if you aren't ready to share it with your team, or save it to other shared folders to make it available to others. Once saved, you can see the dashboard and move the graphs and charts to customize it. Use the 3-dot menu to edit the chart, including the title, subtitle, description, and background. You can also change the way the data is displayed by selecting different chart types. Click the Workbook button in the top right corner to return to the workbook and continue updating the data. And when you're done, click Publish to add the new dashboard to your account. That's it. Go ahead and open Analytics to check out the pre-built dashboards and ask the AI agent your hardest data questions to help grow your business, protect your margins, and maintain clear visibility into your business.